Okay, so we're going to cut this at 6 by 6. And of course you can use your 6 by 6 papers to make these. The thing is though that I don't know, this has got, it's really good. This is Mary Malo, and we're going to score it. Let's get the cutter out of the way. And the scoring is 1 1/4 by 4 3/4 on one side. So I'm going to do 4 3/4 first. And 1 1/4. There we go, right like that. Then we're going to turn it, do 2 1/2 by 3 1/2. And I always check, well, sometimes I'm in a rush, check and make sure the line is straight, because you want to make sure you have it straight. Alrighty, let's get rid of that for now. And we're going to fold and burnish. To change my cutting tool. It's starting to get a little ragged. All right, this is the hard part, okay? So we're going to fold these in like this, all right? And one of the things we have to try to do is get this to come up like so. This is the hardest part. I'm going to bring this up so you can see it after I burnish it, because my big fat fingers are in the way. So you see, you want to have this edge meet this folded edge, all right? And then burnish it nicely. And then you want to do it to the other side. So what I do is I take my bone folder or something to hold that in place as I maneuver. The reason why this is so hard is because it is a really good quality cardstock. There we go. That's the one side, as you can see. Okay, we're going to do it to the other side. Again, holding my paper there, meeting it, and then burnishing it. Bring it up for you again, see? And you're going to the other side, keeping that there, and just sort of manipulating the paper till it meets, and then creasing it and burnishing. And then you have this, right like that, okay? The way I like to do this is I like to make sure that this stays nice and folded tight. You don't have to do this. It is just something I want to do so it stays in place. So I'm putting tear and tape all across. So one on the edge and one on the fold, just so it stays there. There we go. Almost there. And you're going to burnish it down nicely so that the tape is adhered to the paper. There we go. And then we're going to fold it up again. Oops. Wish I could find that paper piercing. A little, you know, sometimes having a larger room is probably not a good thing, because I can put things away and not remember where I put them, and it would take me a long time to find them. All right, so where I've gone over the edge, I just fold it over. I'm sure you just do that naturally. I don't think it's like a little trick that you, instead of trying to cut it off, just fold it onto itself. Okay. There we go. See? And there we go. All right, so again, fold and burnish, 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 ta-da! And then we're bringing this up. Okay, so this part here, you don't, it would be okay, but I'm gonna put some on this corner right here to hold it. Y'all gonna do what you're gonna do. I just showing you what I do. There we go. It's not hard. It goes fast, especially if you make several. Because you just get it down, first figuring it out. All right, here we go. I love the fall. Which season is your favorite? I just love the fall because it just brings in the cooler weather. I always liked sweater weather. All right, so we're gonna go inside, sorry. But I'm gonna go inside and burnish this, and this side too. There it is. See? It has a little give to it. Granted, you can see the tape on this side. Just roll it down and it will come off. So I went a little too far. Here we go. There it is. Ta-da! Okay, so follow my next video and you'll see how I use August paper pumpkin kit to decorate this. See you there. Bye.